This is two chicken breasts I cut up that I'm going to boil to make broth. Then I'll shred the meat and save it for later for another recipe. Let's get started on our gravy. In this pan I have 2 tablespoons of butter, and to that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. Now once this flour starts to turn a light golden brown, I'm going to add a cup of chicken broth. And we will just cook this until it thickens. You can add a little black pepper to taste. I like a lot of pepper. You'll also want to taste it to see how much salt you need or don't need. It does need a little bit of salt. Okay, this is starting to thicken up, so I'm going to add in some of the chicken I cooked earlier. I shredded it up. Obviously I'm not going to need all of this, but I do like a lot of chicken in my gravy. That should do it. And there, gravy is done. For our waffles, we need 1 cup of flour, half a teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, Oops. Half a teaspoon baking powder. One egg. And 1 cup of milk. We will also need 4 tablespoons of melted butter. We'll just mix it all together till it's smooth. And we'll set it aside till the waffle iron is heated up. Waffle iron is heated up, so let's start making these things. The instructions say that it should take about 3 minutes for these waffles to cook. I want to thank my friend Melanie, who sent me this waffle iron after watching my video of me trying to make waffles in a George Foreman grill. So thank you, Melanie. Okay, these have been cooking about 8 minutes. So the 3-minute mark that the instructions say isn't correct. But I'm also not using their recommended recipe. So that could be part of the problem. Oops, I just made a mess. So while this last one's cooking, I'm going to heat up the gravy and some green beans. And when I come back, I'll have it all plated up. And here we have my all-time favorite comfort food, Pennsylvania Dutch chicken and waffles.